Hello everyone, myself Kumar Ankit present here to share some of my knowledge on the machine learning topic, how to implement a linear regression model on a dataset. So at first, what is machine learning? What is linear regression? Linear regression performs a task to predict a dependent variable value y based on an independent variable x. So this regression technique find out the linear relationship between x input and y output. So it has a name given to a linear regression. So we will see how to fit a linear regression model on a dataset. So at first importing all the important libraries that I need. So importing OS, NumPy as NP, Pandas as PD, Matplotlib and Seaborn. So after then loading a dataset in a Jupyter notebook. So using with a pandas function pd.read_csv given a path name and the file name. So here is my dataset which has a column index with 0 to 30 and years of experience and salary. So then after that assigning a name to my data, that is assigning here I am assigning data set equal to pd.csv, then the path and the file name, and then checking the first few rows of the column and data for and furthermore radio on top of that. So dataset.head, by default it gives only 5 value for a head. So here I have also find out the information related to my dataset and what is my data type of my dataset, and then I have also seen what is the describe function. So after that I am pulling out my x variable data that I need to represent need to deploy in a machine learning algorithm on the linear regression algorithm. So there I need x and y, as x is an independent variable and y is a dependent variable. So pulling out my x variable and showing the output for the x variable. Here we can see we have all the 30 values for the x, and similarly pulling down the y variable. So all the variable for the y that is related to the salary is given in the y variable. And then we came to the first step of data preprocessing, that is splitting the data set into test set and training set. So while doing this, we have imported the sklearn model selection from import test train test split, and then assigning the values that we want, that is x train, x test, and y train and y test. So then giving the train test split and then giving the parameter that is x, y, and test size. Here I have splitted the test size into one third because I wanted because we have only 30 records in our data set. So 20 I have separated 20 values in the train test and 10 values in the test set. So and random state equal to 0, as random state is 0 because it will give all the possible values for that. So again I am displaying all the x train values that is mine in my data set, and similarly for that I have also been displaying for the y values, y train dataset values. So here is my y train, x test, and y test as well. So we can see. So now we have a fitting a simple linear regression to a training set. So for doing that, we will just import a sklearn linear model, import linear regression. So we will classify the regression equal to linear regression and we'll call a function. So and then at last we will define a regression dot fit. That means because we have to fit a linear regression line on that. That is for where we have to fit, that is in x train or y train. So as we will run, it will give me the output, and then after that we have to predict the value for the test set result. So for predicting the value for the test set result, we have a ypred and regressor dot predict x test. So after running this will give me the output, and then visualizing the trend set result. So in visualizing the trend set result, we have actually assigned the plt dot figure that I want the figure size, and then plt dot scatter because I want a scatter plot on that. So assigning the parameter in between, that is x train and y train, and color equal to red, that is for all the red color is for all the actual values that what we have, and then plt dot plot x train comma regressor dot predict x train color equal to blue, that will be all for the predicted values. And then similarly given for the plt dot title, that is that is the title of my graph, and plt dot x label, assigning the value of x label and y variable. As we can see in output that we have a in x we have a year of experience, and in y axis we have a salary, and the Title is also being shown here, that is salary versus experience for the training set result, as this blue line indicates that what is the predicted value for the salary and the year of experience, and the red dots are being classified that what are my actual values for all the salaries for all the experience over the salaries. So again, then visualizing a test set result, so nothing changed in that, but a minor change, that is for as we have given a x train and y train, and then here we have given a x test and y test, and here we don't need to change in plt.plot action, because as we have deployed earlier, it will always be trained on basis of that. So nothing more changes in that, except the plt.s and plt.scatter, we have given x test and y test in color equal to red, and then while we will run this, we will have a more actual prediction of the values than earlier what we have in a training set, because in the test set we can see that the values of the red dots are being more closer to the predicted values, and there are only some values that is actually being a little so far from the predicted values. So it is more quite accurate according to our training set, and the linear regression model of fits a best line and the best predicted value according to our data set. So thanks and have a good day.